If you don't have automation, you're working very hard. There's a lot of work that you're doing in the roles of architects and developers that you're spending a lot of time trying to get these pieces to tie together. Even if you have scripts and you're passing files around between servers, it works, but it's somewhat unreliable. If you don't have an automation tool, ActBatch or otherwise, that says, hey, this thing's gone on, this thing's finished, execute the next step, you're making a lot of work for yourself. And in this day and age, we just don't have the time for it. So the response time, before we even had the monitoring by offshore, was taking 5 or 6 hours because it was when somebody woke up in the morning. With the monitoring team, it took an hour, hour and a half, usually about an hour, but occasionally it'd be an hour and a half before somebody noticed that there was a problem. And then we went down to about 5 minutes, pretty consistently, that as soon as it was, somebody would respond to the email saying, yep, I've got this, and then other people could ignore it and go back to sleep. I'm an evangelist for ActiveBatch. The passion I feel for it is really because this is something I've been doing this for 30 years. I've done it the old-fashioned manual way, Perl scripts, Windows, back when I was writing my first data warehouse over 20 years ago. The moving of it around, this just makes the process a piece of cake.